Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also insert records or fields into the middle of the table rather than appending them onto the bottom row of the table or onto the right column of the table. This is the same process you use to insert new columns or new rows. Therefore, the number of columns or rows you select becomes the number you insert. Also, new columns are inserted to the left of the selection and new rows are inserted above the selection. Start by clicking and dragging over the headings of the columns or rows to select the number of columns or rows to insert and where they will appear within the table. Then right-click the selected column or row headings. From the pop-up menu that appears, choose the Insert command. Remember to fill the new columns or rows with data so you do not have any entirely blank rows or columns in the table.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.